Hello everybody and welcome again to a new do-it-yourself at home nail art.
Hello my beautiful sassy lovers. I know I was a little while gone on my channel. I'm sorry for that, but yeah, most of you already know probably what's going on. But here I am back with a new nail design. And this nail design I have from My Nails by Johna. Thank you so much, sweetheart. If you also want to be a part of this little, can I call it a game? I don't know how I can call it. I'm still looking for a name. But yeah, we still have some fingers left in this design. So if you want to also be a part of it and have a nice shout out video, just make a little design that match with these two nails, and make sure that you send me the design like on my Instagram or Messenger. Yeah, just make sure that I get your design so I can try and recreate it. So what I also want to show in this video is how you can make a full cover glitter nail with dual forms. Like you already see, I already started with my Tobe Glam base coat, don't cure it, and applying all my beautiful Boo Boo Glitter Glory Emerald glitter on the natural nail. Yeah, I know it's not a real natural nail, it's my handolly, but hey girl, hey, you know, I'm so happy with my handolly. By the way, if you also want to have a chance to win one of our beautiful silicone hands, I have a giveaway video going on. The link to it is in my info box. You can enter as many times if you like. So yeah, go ahead and enter to receive a beautiful handolly hand. Okay, so now I'm gonna cover the glitter nail with my Tobe Glam base coat again. I dump it out on my mixing canvas just to make sure that there is no glitter going in my base coat bottle. You don't need to do that, but yeah, I rather be safe than sound, you know what I mean. So I cure it a full cure, and then we're going in with my Tobe Glam Pure Polygel. So this is the clear. So I am using the Russian Gothic almond shape dual form. Wow, that was a mouthful. So also I'm using my base coat as a slip solution, guys. If you never have tried this way before, yeah, I totally recommend. Oh my gosh, your nails are gonna come out so much better. And yeah, I use a little bit too much of my polygel, so I'm scooping out just a little bit because I only want to cover the nail bed area in this dual form for now, like you see. So now I'm gonna pop it onto my nail, keep it in an angle from 45 degrees, rock it down, and make sure you have no air bubbles left in your nail bed. And then we're gonna cure just like that. Yeah, perfect indeed. Look at that. So I flipped over my finger and I'm coming in with some more Tobe Glam base coat, so I can cover the complete dual form with that beautiful Boo Boo Glitter Glory Emerald glitter. Make sure you cover the side walls as well, because yeah, that is gonna make or break the shape of the nail, you know what I mean. So I don't know what happened with the part of that video, but after I cured the glitter, I also went in with the Tobe Glam Pure again. Yeah, just to make sure that we have a nail, you know what I mean. You don't have a nail with only glitter and base coat, right? So I'm gonna give it a full cure, and I also cure it underneath it, a full cure. And oh my god, look at the nail that I have. Isn't she pretty? So I'm gonna give her a light file. You really don't need to file a lot with those dual forms. I'm basically only doing the side walls and the tip. Just when you do the tip, keep in mind that it is in an angle, so don't file it straight, otherwise you're gonna lose the beautiful shape. And oh my god, look at her. She is completely filed and buffed, ready to put a design on. So oh my god, look at that C-curve. Isn't she amazing? So I gonna start and come in with my She Modern sticky white gel and my silver glitter from She Modern. I know you cannot buy it anymore with She Modern, the sticky white gel, but guys, I know it from Tina herself. It's really easy to make it yourself. The only thing you need is the glue gel and the opaque white pigment. Mix it together and bam, there you have your sticky white. So yeah, don't be upset that it's not in the store anymore, because you can perfectly make it yourself with those products, okay? So yeah, I'm basically drawing in Johna, her beautiful design, with the sticky white. After I have drawn it all on there, I'm gonna give it a cure for 30 seconds, and then we're gonna apply the beautiful silver glitters. So I'm gonna let you watch for a little bit, and I'm gonna pop in later again. Make sure, guys, that all the white lines are covered with this beautiful silver glitter, otherwise, yeah, it's not gonna look pretty, you know what I mean? So make sure you cover everything. What I also do after I have done with applying the glitter, I just lightly tap in the glitter in the sticky white gel, so all the glitter is nice and secured. That's basically all you need to do. I also gonna show you guys how you can save the glitter that is spilled in my little tray, because I really see a lot of ladies that also are using She Modern throwing away all the excess glitter, and let me tell you, yeah, that can be quite a lot. So it's really easy. You just pop off this little thingamabobby that I just popped off. Make sure that all the excess glitter is off of the nail in your little triangle dish. And now you can simply pour it back in the little jar. Look at that. That's a big amount of glitter right there. And that's only one nail. I'm not gonna waste that. You know what I mean? So yeah, guys, it's really easy. Pop off the little spout thingamabobby, dump in your glitter, and close it up again. And you're good to go for the next time without any waste. Okay, so now I'm coming in with a soft brush. Make sure you're using a soft brush, because the glitter is only sticking in the sticky base from the sticky white gel. That's a lot of sticky, but hey. And then I'm gonna apply a base coat over the complete nail, so we can really lock in the silver lines that I just created. Just like that. Oh my gosh, isn't she pretty? Look at the one side that I have still not done yet with the base. Oh, are you ready for this side? Because there we go. Ooh, that is nail porn right there. Look at that. So beautiful, right? So beautiful. Oh my god. It really brings the nail to life again. Okay, so after I applied my base coat, I'm gonna give it a full cure again. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that shine, that sparkle. Isn't she adorable? I really love how she's looking already, but I'm not happy though. I'm trying to give it some more dimension by using the She Modern Jelly Sheer Black Water Paint. Let me tell you guys, the She Modern water paints, wow, if you have never tried them before, what are you waiting for, girl? You really need to try it. It's just amazing. If you apply it in thin coats, it's drying in just a second. Like when I did the bottom part of the nail, the top part and the cuticle was already dried up. So yeah, basically it's air drying, but yeah, it dries so quickly. It's incredible. Just make sure to use thin coats. Okay, so I'm gonna top it off with my top coat from Tobe Glam. Oh, look at that. So yeah, let me know in the comments, guys. Do you think that the sheer black sheer modern water paint is helping to give me some more dimension in the nail? I don't know. I really like how the nail came out at the end, but yeah, I don't know. Okay, there we are. It's not a sassy nail without some bling, right? So I'm using the beautiful clear flat back crystals that you also can find in every embellishment pack from Boo Boo Glitter Glory. And let me tell you guys, these little crystals, oh my gosh. Have you seen how they are flashing at you just a second ago? Say what? These are just gorgeous. You really need to have them in your collection. Oh my gosh, they're so amazing. So yeah, I'm basically just placing them all around on the nail. Maybe I have overdone it with them. I don't know. I just really love them. I don't know if it was the shape of the nail that is throwing me off with this design. I don't know, but yeah. I just don't know. I really like the nail. It's not about that, but yeah. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, okay? Do you like it with the crystals, without the crystals, or do you think it would look better if I only placed crystals like halfway? I am really curious for your opinion, guys. So yeah, please let me know in the comments. I see my time is almost up, so yeah, Jonah, honey, I really hope that I did well with your design. Definitely let me know what you think, honey. I really did my best. So yeah, very curious for your opinion, honey. So guys, don't forget, I still have nails left. If you want me to make another part for this series of sets of nails, yeah, just send me in some designs on paper so I can recreate them. Okay, so we're gonna give it a final cure, and there they are. The first two nails completely ready in this set. So is there gonna be nail number 3 and 4? That is all up to you guys. I hope I receive some more designs. And now I'm gonna close off like I always do. Geef deze beertjes een brul. Rawr. And stay sassy. Bye bye everybody. I love you all. Mwah. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to subscribe on Jonah. Her link is in my info box, okay? I love you all. Bye.